This Siren test and chime video is going to be a little different than most of the others. The main reason being that I was at the Brass Armadillo recently and came across this, and I just had to pick it up. A PA speaker horn made by the same company that made my timer, melodics, and amplifier. It really completes the setup and it'll be good for the mini bosai musen. Well, except for the fact that this is a 25/70 volt power horn and the mini bosai musen uses normal 4 ohm speakers. So I had to wire this horn up to the 25 volt output on the amplifier in order for it to work. It's only a little bit louder than the mini bosai musen's reflex horn and will only be used in conjunction with these horns once. Any other time I use the toa horn, like on days it's either super hot or super cold, it'll be used on its own since I don't want to risk overloading the amplifier. So next month the mini bosai musen should be back to normal again.
It's loud. Hope we don't blow the amplifier.
Yeah, blockhead. What the heck are you doing here?
I'm here to tell you that your phone's memory is full and you should have imported all of your old phone's out of your new phone and into your laptop before you made this video.
Oh yeah, I forgot I did that data transfer. Oh well, at least I got most of the ambience. Now get out of here. The sirens are about to test.